Hello everybody, it's 3 a.m. after midnight. It's New York City, Bronx, and as you can see everything is covered. It's snowing a lot, not windy anymore, but it's snowing a lot. Probably by the morning everything's gonna be covered on snow. Really bad situation, and probably the streets tomorrow will be closed. No cars, only people walking. This video goes straight to Extreme channel on YouTube. So visit Extreme channel on YouTube. See a lot of good videos, a lot of extreme videos. As you see, it's really bad.